Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Dodge Charger. If you guys have a Dodge Charger, you need to find where the transmission relay is located. Stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. In some cases you may have a relay or you may not, and we'll explain in both cases. We'll explain how to test relays, and if your transmission does not shift or transmission is stuck in park, we'll talk about that as we go. So we'll cover very helpful information guys that can save you quite a bit of time, quite a bit of money as well. So make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix practically almost anything guys. Engines, transmissions, we take them completely apart. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. And Dodge Charger, we'll be taking it completely apart. Not to say a big word, but probably we'll have close to 500 free repair videos. If you need to buy any parts, tools, relays, fuses, anything for a good price, quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. So where is that transmission relay now? Let's explain here. This is guys the transmission box, the fuse box that we have right here with the relays. You have one more fuse box. How do you open it? You have one notch here, one there. You squish towards each other, you pull straight out, and here you have the relay and fuse layout to what corresponds here. Now some of you may have this one, some of you may not, but we're talking about relay number 44. So starting here, 1 2 3 4 5, that relay right here, number 5. This is the relay that you need to check. That's for transmission. Now that relay guys, okay, check it out. Some will have it, some will not. If you have the police version of the Dodge Charger, you will have it. If you don't, you will not have it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test relays. You will be able to find out if they're good or bad. Something else, if you need to buy replacement relays or just to have some spare ones in your glove box, which is a great idea, I will put the link in the description of the video below. That way you can save quite a bit of time and money. So check it out and you can get them at a really good price. Now if you don't have that relay guys, okay, don't freak out. Your relay, okay, in that case will be practically guys, your transmission will be controlled by the engine computer, and we'll have a special video about why transmission does not shift, why transmission is stuck in park on Dodge Charger. Check out these 2 videos and you can learn more about it and find out how to fix it on your own. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.